You spend 90% of your time indoors, and the air you're breathing right now is poisoning your lungs. Watch what happens in real time when you breathe polluted indoor air. Indoor air is 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, and every single breath you take is filling your lungs with toxins. Here's what's happening inside your lungs right now. Cooking, especially on gas stoves, releases particulate matter and nitrogen dioxide.
Cleaning products release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, like formaldehyde and benzene.
Scented candles and air fresheners release formaldehyde and phthalates, chemicals linked to cancer.
New furniture, carpet, and paint, they off-gas VOCs for months or even years. Dust, a collection of pollutants, allergens, and dust mites. It all gets into your lungs.
The dangerous particles are the ones you can't see. They travel down your trachea into the bronchi. Large particles are caught in your nose and throat, triggering a coughing reflex. But PM 2.5, particles 2.5 micrometers or smaller, penetrate deep into the alveoli. The tiniest particles can actually cross into your bloodstream and circulate through your body. Your immune cells try to clean up pollutants, but they get overwhelmed. Inflammation begins. Reactive oxygen species, free radicals, are created. These attack your cells directly. Cells die. The protective barrier breaks down. This is acute inflammation. Your lungs can't exchange oxygen efficiently. You're getting less oxygen with each breath. Week 1, you might notice mild coughing. The inflammation is just beginning.
By month 1, you're coughing more frequently, feeling short of breath.
Month 6? The inflammation has triggered fibrosis, permanent scarring in your lungs. Year 1? Your lungs have lost 40% of their function. This damage is largely IR reversible.
Children are at the highest risk. They breathe faster, so pollution is 3 times more damaging.
Elderly people have reduced lung capacity. Pollution accelerates their decline. Pollution triggers asthma and even crosses into the fetus, affecting development. But UCAN protect your lungs. Number 1, get a HEPA air purifier. 2, ventilate. Open windows to let fresh air dilute indoor pollutants. 3, eliminate sources. Switch to natural cleaners and avoid scented candles.
4, add houseplants. They absorb some VOCs and produce fresh oxygen.
Monitor your air quality. Reclaim your lungs and breathe easy starting today.